there, this is Joe from UZBL, showing you today how to install the MacBook Air 13 into our new hard shell case. First, you take the bottom and slide the thin front of the MacBook Air 13 into the snaps, underneath the snaps. Keeping those in place, you then just put the rear snaps over in place, and there you have the 4 snaps and the rear of the bottom of the case all settled into the bottom shell. Then you take the top hardcover, which has this nice little opening grasp and what we call it an overbite for the corners to give it protection, and you just slide this on. And there you go. The MacBook Air 13 is now protected by UZBL.